partly cloudy with a chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 90s. Chance of thunderstorms 30%. You are listening to Oklahoma City Weather Radio, and here are 11 a.m. weather observations. At Oklahoma City, it was sunny. The temperature was 89 degrees, the dew point 67, and the relative humidity 47%. The wind was southwest at 16 miles an hour, gusting to 24. The pressure was 29.98 inches and steady. At Dinker Air Force Base, it was sunny. The just heard a test out of the National Weather Service radio warning alarm feature. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a greater distance from the transmitter, will occur even though you're using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. During severe weather, the warning alarm will be activated for severe thunderstorm and tornado watches, and for severe thunderstorm, tornado, and flash flood warnings. The warning alarm will also be used for civil emergency messages. A test of the warning alarm feature of National Weather Service Radio